Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to import Excel data into our SQL Server table. So let's start. Sometimes we have a requirement to copy or insert the bulk data from Excel file to your SQL Server table. So in this case, this video will be useful for you. Let me open my Excel file. So this is my Excel file which contains some employee details. Now I want to insert this bulk data into my SQL Server table. So first of all, close this file. Then open your SQL Server Management Studio. Then log in into a SQL Server account. For that purpose, select your server name. Then enter your username and the password. Once you select your server name, username and password, click on the connect button. And here you can see we have successfully logged in into our SQL Server account. So go to the Object Explorer, then expand the databases, then select your database. Here is my database with name demo. Then right click the database, go to the task option. So once you hover on the task option, here you can see the option import data. So click on the import data. And here you can see this is our SQL Server import wizard. So click on the next option. Then select your data source. Now our data source is Microsoft Excel. So click on this drop down. Select Microsoft Excel. Then select your Excel file path. So go to the path where your Excel file is present. Select the file. Click on open. And here you can see this is the file path. Here you can also select the Excel version. And you can check the checkbox. Your first row has a column names. So this is true in our case. So I have selected this checkbox. Then click on next. Now we need to select a destination. Now our destination is your SQL Server table. So from this destination dropdown, select SQL Server Native Client 10.0. Now enter the name of your SQL Server. Now go to the authentication part. In my case, I am using SQL Server Authentication. So select the option, enter your username and password that we have used for login. Now from the databases dropdown, select the name of your database. In our case, the name of the database is demo. So select the database name and click on next. Now here you can see the option specify table, copy or query. Now we want to copy data. So select the first option, then click on next. Now here we need to select the source of our table. Now here we need to select the source of data. As we know that we are importing data from the Excel file. This Excel file has 3 sheets. Now our data is present in sheet 1. So select the sheet 1. Now in the destination part, you need to give the name of the table which will be created automatically. So give the name of the table. So in my case, I am giving TBL employee detail. Once you give the name of the table, then here you can see the option for edit mappings. So if you click on the edit mappings, here you can see the automatically created column names by the SQL Server and their data types. So you can change the data types as per your requirement. In my case, I am keeping it as a default. So click on OK and then click on next option. So in the run package section, check the checkbox run immediately and click on next. And here you can see all the details that we have previously selected. Then click on finish. And here you can see our operation is started. And here you can see within a second we have got the successful message. And here you can see all the records are successfully inserted into our SQL Server table. So click on the close option. Now expand the database. Now refresh our table names. Now expand tables. And here you can see the table with name TBL employee detail. So if you open the table, here you can see all the data from the Excel is inserted successfully into your SQL Server table. So in this way, we can import Excel data into SQL Server. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.